Guys, what's going on? It's Oregon Motorcycle bringing you another awesome episode. Today I'm coming to you straight out of Portland, Oregon, and I have some exciting news to share with you guys today. Little commuting action today. What's going on, folks? It's Monday. I'm out here on my Talaria, and I got my stock wheels put back on, and I'm running stock wheels with a 48.2 sprocket, and this thing is like a little rocket in sport mode. Like big time. Yeah, so we're commuting home. It's Monday. It's a little early. I got off work a little early today, so could share this exciting news with you guys. If this is your first time tuning in, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you guys want a little text message when I upload new content. Yesterday I rode this bike on a very long trip. That video should be out already, so if you guys haven't seen it, check it out. It's going to be up here in the top corner. Man, I did almost 40 miles on this thing with one charge. So basically eco mode on this bike doubles your range, but it was a lot of fun actually. But I rode for a couple hours. I rode all the way from Oregon City to downtown Portland and back. Then I messed around in Oregon City when I got back, trying to deplete the battery even more. But I mean, this bike will do over 40 miles on a single charge. There's no questions asked. Stock in stock form. So but yeah, so this sprocket I have on right now is a 48 tooth, and I think it's a little big for commuting on the stock power system because the top end suffers a little bit. So let's say it goes around 40 miles per hour now instead of like 45, and I could feel it just a little bit. Like there's a certain section of road to where I can just barely keep up with cars in the stock form, but with this sprocket on, it's just a little bit off, right? But man, the acceleration on this bike is so fun with the sprocket. So the exciting news in today's episode of Oregon Motorcycle is that I've brought back the merch, but I brought it back a little bit better this time. So before there was only one piece of, well actually two, I guess if you count the colors of shirts, but I had a gray shirt and a white shirt offered before, and just had a logo on the back. I made some new designs, and all the links are posted down below in the description. It's on Spring Tee or Teespring, whatever that is. I got some hoodies. I got a hoodie, or hoodies I guess if you count the colors, and t-shirts and long sleeve t-shirts. And there's even a sticker in there, like maybe two different stickers. I think there's a couple different stickers because they're different colors. So it's kind of just my basic logo with the YouTube logo. Just put on some different color shirts and hoodies and that kind of thing. So if you guys are interested in any Oregon Motorcycle merch, go check out the 2022 collection in the links below. And you guys can help support my channel by purchasing those. I get a small cut of the profit when you guys purchase a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, and you guys get a cool hoodie or sweatshirt with my logo. I think some of the color combinations go good together. There's a blue one on there that I like, and then the red, which can't stand red, actually looks pretty cool, and even one of the orangish reddish ones will look good with my logo colors, so my blue and yellow logo colors. Definitely go over there and check them out. Tell me what you guys think of the design. Let me know if you guys purchase any and all that good stuff. Yeah. Okay, so here, I'm full throttle. Indicator says 46, but right now I think the way it's calibrated, I believe I'm like 2 or 3 miles per hour off. So I know I'm going over 40, but look, the car is pulling away from me. No, come back, no. But at the same time, this is an incline. So I don't know if I'd go much faster going uphill with the bigger sprocket, because I don't know if it'd have the power. But like right now, the motor's like almost running full RPM because it's not stressing that much, so because of the lower gear. So maybe there's a trade-off on going uphill, but if you're going level or downhill, like you kind of need that extra oomph, not oomph, but that extra mile per hour on the top. So, and through this section here, the speeds are going to increase. Cars are going to do like 45 to 50, and I can't keep up the pace. So this is when a 72 volt conversion would come in really handy. Imagine a 72 volt with these wheels and like supermoto setup. Say supermoto setup, 72 volt conversion. Tesla. He's rocking out in there too. I can hear him. Damn, Tesla's bumping. Another Tesla across the road. I've been seeing a lot of Teslas lately. Maybe it's just because I'm noticing electric vehicles more. Got another video I've been working on. I've shot it twice. The first time my microphone went out. And and then I shot it again and the microphone was working, and then I was just like, I don't know, my tone of voice was kind of off, so I'm like, kind of feel like a downer. But it's kind of like a channel update video, kind of like projecting the future of my channel over the next couple years, and you guys are all going to be very interested in that as soon as I can get something going video wise for that. Man, the Tesla doesn't want any. He's just staying back there. So anyways, I got to get home and drink beer and work on edits, because I've got like hundreds and hundreds of gigs of footage to edit for you guys, and lots of beer to drink. So yeah, full throttle going downhill. It says indicated 48, so maybe going 44, 45 miles an hour, I don't know. But I think the Tesla's just checking me out. He's like back there drooling and stuff, like, oh man, that bike's awesome. Wow, I need one. Yes you do, Mr. Tesla man, just like I need a Tesla. No, actually I need a truck. And there's a hint into some of the next new videos coming up on Oregon Motorcycle, folks. So until next time, Oregon Motorcycle.